So you might have seen one of our videos where we adjusted what's called the first cuneiform. You've got the metatarsal here, the first cuneiform, but on this adjustment we're going to do a second cuneiform, the bone that's over to the side. And what's really important when you go to see a chiropractor is that you have a proper analysis done. So we want to make sure you understand what needs to be adjusted or what doesn't need to be adjusted. So here we go. We're going to roll that knee in a little bit, let the foot relax, knee rolls in a little bit, and my hand's going to cover it, but it's right there. That was a solid second cuneiform adjustment.